Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to top up the enhancer tank. Now what you got to do here, take the front off your unit. This is your electrolysis enhancer tank. So it's actually designed to have this saline solution to help produce the 2.5 and 11.5 waters. So all that you're going to do is at the top, this is actually full, I've already filled it up, but you're just going to turn the lid and you're going to open it up. And what you're going to do, every single unit of the JR2, SD501 and K8 all get one of these. So I always advise, and especially when I'm dealing with my own customer sales and so on, that people get more of these for the whole year as well as the cleaning salts at the same time. But you're basically going to unscrew the lid, and that's just a bit of salt. So it's because obviously it's a saline solution, so with air it will solidify. But basically you're going to take that top off, and one of these will fill the whole of that. So when it's brand new or fresh or you've run out, one of these, well, you can just pour it and it will fill it all up. So obviously I'm not going to do it because mine's already filled. But when you put the lid back on, make sure you don't spill any of it anywhere, because as I said, it will actually solidify and you'll have salt all around it. And especially when you push it in, it will actually cause a blockage because of the salt that starts to solidify around there, the liquid that starts to solidify around there. Put your cover back on, and that's basically now in place. So when you run the 2.5, the strong acidic water, when you press that for the first time, it's going to be sucking in the fluid from this. So sometimes it might register saying refill enhancer tank, but because it's the first time, just keep it running and it will eventually recognize it. The next time you come to use it, you won't need to worry about it. So that's just making sure you've got your enhancer there. If you aren't going to be using the 2.5 and 11.5 waters, you don't need to have that tank in there if you don't wish to, but please be aware that, especially if you're going to watch my video on how to make sure that the K8 cleans properly, please make sure that you always get a damp rag and just gently wipe around in that area, in that chamber, to make sure it's nice and clean before you put the cleaning cartridge in or the enhancer tank back in or in for the first time. So just make sure you give a gentle wipe around there with a damp cloth, because it will help your unit function properly when you come to do the e-clean, and also when you are using any of the enhancer for the 2.5 and 11.5 waters. Enjoying my YouTube channel? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive further value.